This is Kelly and I'm here to show you how to do the easy sewn bind off, and this is a great bind off to use with garter stitch. So if you're using garter stitch on the edge of a cuff of a sweater and you don't want the V's to show and you want it to look more like the garter stitch, it's a great bind off to use it for that, and it can be used on shawls and all different kinds of things. So let me show you how to do it. I have my working yarn is 3 times the width of the project I'm going to be binding off, and I have threaded my tapestry needle onto my working yarn. So I'm going to insert my tapestry needle to the left, going 2 stitches to the left, and then it goes 1 stitch to the right, 2 to the left, 1 to the right. And you want to do this so it's snug but not too snug. I think sometimes if you get it so it's too loose, it doesn't look quite as good, and this is not going to look perfect because it's on a stockinette stitch sample, not on garter stitch, but it looks really good on garter stitch. So you would just do this all the way across your row or your round, whatever you're working on. And let me show you what this looks like. Do you see how it kind of looks like garter stitch on the edge? It looks really nice with garter stitch, so give that a try.